Hello everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to another vlog. Today I went to a local market and guess what I bought? I bought a pair of shoes. Yes, I went to a market and I just liked these shoes and I just immediately bought them. And these are not the branded shoes, these are the local made shoes, and the look of these are really amazing, and they are also very affordable and very cheap. So I won't tell you the price. If you know the price, you can comment below the exact price. So now let me show you the shoes. So these are the shoes. These are not the branded ones, but these are some cool looking shoes. You can see. Let me just bring them out. So you can see they are very well built, and I just like its look, and these are just amazing, right? And this is the second one. You can see. What do you think about these shoes? Are they amazing or not? Maybe they are the duplicate of some design from Reebok, I think, or Reebok. So if you know what's the name of the original shoes maker, just do let me know in the comment section below. So let's see the cinematic B-roll of these shows. So how do you like these shoes? And these are not the branded one, as I already mentioned, but I just like them and I don't care about the brand things. If something is good and amazing, I just buy that. So are you also a brand guy, or you are just like me who wears everything or anything if you just like them? The only condition to have something or to buy something is whether you like it or not. But I have seen that there are so many people who just buy only the branded stuff, but I'm not like that person. So if you are, comment below, and hopefully that they will just last a little longer, maybe around 6 months. That's just fine for me. So I just like this color and design. What do you think about this? I think they are the copy of some Air shoes, and these I bought from the local market in Delhi. Yesterday I released a short film. If you have not watched that on my channel, please do watch. And that has been shot with this camera only. And this is the Nikon D5100. And this is an outdated camera. This is no longer available. This is a basic entry-level DSLR camera, and it's a APS-C format camera, and I'm using the 18 to 55 mm basic kit lens. So I just want to show you that you can work with whatever you have, and sometimes I also feel that if I would have a better equipment, my quality or my videos would be even better. Yes, that's true, but sometimes we feel that if we don't have that, we don't have that, and we don't work on that. But the most important thing which you always keep in mind, that you must work with whatever you have in hand. So if you have a mobile phone camera, just work with that. There are lots of people, they have just grown their channel with just the mobile phone. And similarly, I also decided that I'm going to work with this camera itself till I get a new Sony a7S III. That's what I want to have, but that's totally out of my budget at this time. So I was considering whether should I go for Sony a7 III, which is a 2-year-old camera, and this is also not that affordable. That also costs around 1.5 lakh in Indian rupees, and that's around 2000 US dollars. So till I get that, I was trying so hard to get that camera, but unfortunately my channel is not making that much of money. But I have decided that I will keep on working with this camera till I earn some money with this channel or from my other online sources. And if I get that much of money, then I will buy Sony a7S III. So till then I'll keep on working with this one. So that's my tip I want to give you. You should never be held back with something you don't have. All right, just try to use the resources which you already have creatively. So just create that. And yesterday the short film which I shot and released on my this YouTube channel, that was also shot with this camera itself and using the basic kit lens 18 to 55 mm lens, and most of the time I used the 18 mm focal length because that's the wide enough to capture the cinematic scene. So in cinematic, if you want to shoot the cinematic sequence, then you must use the wide angle lens. So that's what I did, and the quality of that is really good, and it's not that bad compared to the mobile phone cameras. Though these days the mobile phone cameras also do have the better video quality, but they are not that great. They look great on your small screen of your mobile phone, but the moment you take it to the camera, the moment you take it to the PC or computer or laptop, then the real quality or the quality issues would start to arise, or you will start to see the quality issues, because the small screen is made, your mobile phone small screen is made to make images and the videos look even greater, and the quality would also look great, but in fact the quality is not that great. Alright, so that's it for today's vlog. I hope you like this vlog, and whatever, if you have learned something from this vlog, please do let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.